here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact.
Hey guys, so this is the next day because I got super busy. I didn't get to wash my hair yesterday, so I just put on the dirty t-shirt because this is going to be messy. So we're continuing the video today. So this is the treatment I have in this bowl. You guys can't really see, so here it is. I have videos on my channel how I made this treatment. I will put the link in my description below, so if you guys are interested in how to make this homemade, very effective homemade treatment, that it's my staple product when my hair really needs to be treated, like really need, like, you know, some really good treatment. This is it. So just gonna put this here. I normally put it into an applicator bottle, but I recently moved from my old apartment to a new apartment, so everything is all over the place. So I don't know where the applicator bottles are, so we're just gonna apply it like this with my hands. It's gonna be very messy, so you want to make sure you're wearing an old t-shirt and maybe like a towel, but because this is the dirty shirt, I'm gonna use a towel. So last night I just put my hair into a little thing right here. Guys, forgive me if I sound a little dull, but I'm so tired. So we're just gonna section, because I am currently 4 months post relaxer, like 4.5 months post relaxer. So I have a lot of new growth. So I'm gonna section my hair to wash it. So we're just gonna section the hair. Like I can't even manage the thickness of my hair. My hair is so thick. Like the thickness is insane, guys. Like I feel like I can't even manage the thickness of it. I feel so exhausted. So we're just gonna put this side aside because it's just so thick. So we have to work in section. Okay, not too tight. Get this right here. And then we're gonna part this. Ha. Okay, so because my hair was loose out since yesterday and I didn't get to wash it yesterday, it's a bit tangled because I have so much new growth too. So it was really difficult for me to part through all that new growth just now. But I feel so tired. So we're gonna detangle each section first before we apply the treatment. It's gonna be messy, but let's see. roots and work our way up. And we're just gonna repeat this until our entire head is covered with the treatment. So we detangle first, then we apply the treatment from the end and work our way up to the roots. Making so much mess. But trust me guys, this mess is worth it because your hair gonna feel so strong and moisturized and shiny and just healthy overall. So trust me, all the mess that it takes, it's gonna worth it. So you guys can see my new growth right here. Here it is. You guys see that? This is a amount of new growth right now. This is my new growth. That's not a new growth for 4 months. Listen guys, wash days are always so long and drawn out and it's just always so tiring, you know? So forgive me, I'm super tired. I'm already exhausted and I haven't started washing my hair as yet. Wash days are very long. When you guys get the video and you see like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, sorry, video, which is that we cut out most of it. It's like all day wash days, you know? In order to keep your hair healthy and strong, you have to be very gentle with it. So wash days can be a lot longer, you know? Okay guys, so now that my entire head is complete, so the product literally finished on this side, but I think it's enough, like, you know, it's not as damp as this side, but at least it got treatment. So because my hair gotten so thick, the amount that I normally make when I need it, it wasn't enough this time because, let me see if I could transport. It wasn't enough this time. So that's how I know my hair is really getting a lot thicker too. So now we're gonna just put this aside. Just wrap it up. With a clip. So if you have more than one shower cap, you can do that, but today I only have one shower cap, so I'm going to use this plastic bag to put over my hair first, and then I'm going to use the shower cap. So we're gonna tie it down like this, take out the hair. Then I'm gonna use this shower cap that the inside has like a fabric, so it can help to lock in the heat because we want as much heat as possible. So that our hair can get. Yes, baby, that's my daughter, guys. I'm sorry. Yes. I'm gonna put this on. And now I am just gonna do whatever chores I have to do around the house, and I'm gonna leave this on for. Yes, thank you. She gave me a popsicle. I'm gonna leave this on for maybe an hour to an hour and a half, and then I'm gonna shampoo my hair, and then I will see you guys after I shampoo my hair. You guys see me was shampoo my hair 1,000,001 times, so I'm not gonna show that in this video. Okay, come here, guys. This is the one that making all the noise. Listen, mommy is working. You know, anytime I go on camera, she doesn't want me to talk, so she tried to talk over me, and she can't talk. So. Anyway, guys, so it is literally now after 11. I am so tired, but anyways, I wash my hair, I shampoo, condition, and now I'm air drying for a little bit. So I think I finished with my hair maybe 30 minutes ago, so now we gotta blow dry. So my hair is about, it's still have a little water dripping actually, so we're gonna air dry, and then we're gonna detangle and blow dry. Always make sure your finger detangle first before you use any comb or brush. My hair is a little bit too wet right now, so I'm gonna let it air dry some more before I start finger detangling.